With Pre-Order Now's back in stock feature, shoppers can enter their email when a product is sold out and receive an automatic notification once it becomes available again. It's a simple way to stay connected with interested shoppers and recover sales that might otherwise be lost. The setup only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. From the Pre-Order Now homepage, go to the Setup Guide and open the Back in Stock tab. You'll see three main steps: create an offer, publish it, and show it on your store. Start by clicking Create Offer. This opens the offer setup page where you'll see four tabs: Design, Products, Email, and Subscribers. We'll go through each one and review the most important settings. Let's begin with the Design tab. This is where you control what shoppers see when a product is sold out. You can change the back in stock button text, adjust its appearance, and add a short message near the button. You can also choose whether the button appears on collection pages and your homepage, making it easier for shoppers to find sold out products without opening each product page. If you also use pre-order, you can choose whether to show the pre-order and back in stock buttons together or only show the pre-order button. This setting controls what shoppers see when a product qualifies for both features. Next, scroll down to customize the sign up pop-up. This is the window that shoppers see after clicking the back in stock button. You can edit the title, description, form fields, submit button, and the thank you message displayed after someone signs up. The email field is enabled by default because email is currently used to send restock notifications. Phone notifications are not available yet. As you make changes, use the live preview on the right to see how everything will look. And don't worry if you're short on time because the default design is ready to use as is. You only need to change things if you want it to match your store's style. Next, open the Products tab and click Add Products. You can add individual products, an entire collection, or products with a specific tag. Collections and tags can be helpful when you want to manage a larger group of products instead of adding each one separately. Now here's something important. Your products do not need to be sold out when you add them. You can prepare the offer in advance, and the Notify Me button will simply appear on its own once an included product or variant hits zero inventory. Now let's open the Email tab. This is where you manage the messages shoppers receive after joining the waitlist. First, take a look at the When to Send Alert setting. By default, it's set to 1, which means shoppers get emailed as soon as at least one unit is back in stock. But if you'd rather wait until you've restocked a larger amount, you can raise this number, and that way you won't send alerts for just 1 or 2 units that might sell out instantly. Below that, you can customize 2 emails. The first one is the sign up confirmation email, which is sent right after a shopper joins the waitlist. It's a nice way to reassure them that their sign up went through. The second one is the back in stock alert email, which is the important one because it's sent when the product becomes available again and invites shoppers to come back and buy. For both emails, you can update the subject line, heading, and message. For the back in stock alert, you can also customize the button text and appearance. After saving the offer, send yourself a test email. This is a useful way to check the wording, layout, and links before customers receive it. The Subscribers tab shows the shoppers who have joined your waitlist. For each subscriber, you can view their email address, the product they selected, the SKU, the date they subscribed, and whether they are still waiting or have already been notified. Over time, this can also help you understand which sold-out products are attracting the most interest. You can search the subscriber list, resend emails, or remove a subscription when needed. Just be careful when manually sending an email to someone who's still marked as waiting, because they may receive the message even if the product hasn't actually been restocked yet. Once your design, products, and emails are ready, click Publish in the top right corner. You do not need to save the offer first. Clicking Publish saves your changes and activates the offer at the same time. However, publishing the offer inside the app is only part of the setup. You still need to enable it on your Shopify theme so shoppers can see it from this button or through the onboarding steps. Under Show It on Your Store, click Open Theme Editor. In Shopify, under App Embeds, the PreOrder Now app embed will be enabled. All you have to do is to save your theme. This step allows the Back in Stock button and Sign Up pop-up to appear on your storefront. Without the app embed, the offer may be published, but shoppers will not see it. Now that everything's enabled, let's make sure it works. Before you check your store, take a quick look at the product you're testing with, because a couple of Shopify settings need to be right for the button to appear. First, make sure the product or variant is actually at zero stock, since the button only shows on sold out items. Then, check that track quantity is turned on to allow Shopify to count your stock and know when it runs out. And finally, make sure Continue Selling when out of stock is turned off. If it's on, Shopify keeps treating the product as available, so the button will never trigger. Once those settings look good, open that sold out product on your storefront and confirm the Back in Stock button appears. While you're there, I'd also suggest testing the sign up yourself so you can see exactly what your shoppers see, from the pop-up all the way to the confirmation email. And that's the full setup. Your Back in Stock offer is now live, shoppers can join the waitlist, and they can be notified when sold out products become available again. Thanks for watching.